Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, we're going to create a captivating rotating squares animation using only HTML and CSS. Without further talking, let's get started. Create a folder for our project, and inside it create an index.html file. Then open the folder with our code editor. In this case, I am using Visual Studio Code Editor. First, we'll set up our HTML structure. Create a very basic structure, then give a title for our project. Let's open our project on a live server to see changes in the browser immediately. First, let's set up our HTML structure. We'll need a main container div to hold 4 smaller square divs. These squares will be animated to rotate around the container, giving that smooth rotating effect. Watch closely as we lay this out. Each square will animate independently, creating a unified rotation effect. Now that our HTML is ready, let's move on to the styling. Create a style CSS file and link that to our HTML file. Now it's time to style the container and squares in our CSS file. We'll use Flexbox to center the container, give it a fixed size, and then we'll style each square individually. We've set the container to the center of the screen by using Flexbox in the body. Each square is absolutely positioned inside the container, given a size of 40 pixels and a vibrant blue color. Next, let's position each square to prepare for rotation. To create a smooth rotation, we need to place each square in a corner of the container. Let's use the CSS nth child selector to position each square accordingly. Here, we've positioned each square using top, bottom, left, and right properties. This places one square in each corner of the container. Now, with everything in place, we're ready to add the rotating animation. Now comes the fun part, adding rotation. We'll use CSS keyframes to define a smooth 360-degree rotation for our container. Here's how it works. The rotate keyframes define a full rotation from 0 to 360 degrees. We apply this animation to the container, setting it to run continuously with a duration of 4 seconds and a linear timing function for a smooth, constant speed. To make this animation more captivating, let's add a color transition to the squares. We'll create another keyframes animation to cycle the square colors from blue to pink and back. In this color change animation, each square's color gradually shifts from blue to pink, then back to blue. We're using the alternate keyword, so the colors reverse smoothly after each cycle. And now, let's see our final result. Here's our final rotating squares animation in action. And that's it. You've created a visually stunning rotating squares animation with pure HTML and CSS. Have any questions, requests, or feedback? Drop them in the comments. I will do my best to reply and help out. If you enjoyed the tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials like this.